Wax Musuem. On a plane. Puppet show. Corn maze. Child's birthday party. Pharmacy. Haunted house. A meeting. In line for the bathroom. Gun show. Prison waiting room. In the dressing room of a department store. Wedding. Sex shop. Gym. Planned Parenthood. Nude Beach. ATM. Laundry mat. Work. Politcal Rally. Public transportation. Church. Funeral.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.